Now we'll analyze the your traffic and all. Where we can do analysis, we have to go to business tools, scroll down. Okay, these things we already done: billing, audience, ads. In analysis and reports, we'll check the analytics. Okay, where we will get to know about a detailed analysis of the each of the ads you have been created so far. Okay, these are the ads we have been created so far. We can check, we can select that one to get in detail about that particular page analysis. Like, we'll come to know that how many users are there, new users, unique new users in last 1 month. Okay, is there anyone again visited to that particular ad? Okay, and we'll come to know that active users as of now, how many of them using. Okay, and for weekly basis it will be shown, and daily basis how many users are there, unique users for the daily basis. By hourly we have been selected here. And users retention, is there anyone retained again to your ads posts. And reactions, you can check how many likes like this. And shares, is there anyone shared your post. Okay, last on this particular date, two number of the events has been shared. Apart from that, none of the days your events has been shared. And this way we can check the different activities here. In the sense, we'll come to know that in detail about how your page is performing. Like, is it engaging or is it declining viewers, or is there anything need to be done. That things we can able to understand by using a this particular thing. Okay, so that we will able to get to know about people also here. Analysis based on a demographic basis we can analyze. Like, uh, uh, from where you are getting a most of the audience. Okay, like this we can check the here overview is the best for the analysis the entire page. Your entire page can be analyzed. Okay, this way we can analyze the page. Similarly, we can have an analysis. Go to analytics, scroll down, audience insight, to learn about how audience are coming to your page and all. Audience insight, this will give you a best insight. In the sense, it will give you the information to create a future post. For example, if I say I don't want in a United States, I would like to know about India. Okay, how many audience are there and their preferences and all I would like to know. India I have been selected. And gender, I would like to, I am targeting only the age of 35 and all the genders. And here I can get to know about, okay, what type of the audience we have demographic wise. Okay, the age category, like 77% of them are belongs to men, 23% of them are women users are there. And we have a detailed breakup of the each of the audience age wise. Okay, similarly, the relationship, how many of them, 64% of them single status is there. Okay, only the 29% of them are married, like that. Okay, education level, for example, you are targeting a university education minimum, they has to be graduated. So we'll come to know that how many are there. Similarly here, job title, for example, you will come to know that within that category, okay, how many audience are belongs to engineering. For example, your product is not suitable to the engineering, then by targeting this particular audience will not be useful. Okay, like this we can check. And we can check the page, like what type of the pages they are selecting. Okay, which type of the page and category of the pages they have been most visited type of the pages we can check here. And which page has highest like in a past 1 month, you will get to know about here. Okay, These insights will help you to create your ads. In the sense, if it is not your cup of tea, you will be drop ad, placing an ad in a Facebook, right? And location wise, top locations from where we can get a most of the traffic. Okay, like a city wise you can check. Okay, top language wise you can check from where we can expect a maximum traffic, which language speaking persons are giving a in the sense visiting our posts. You will come to know that one. Okay, these are the things. And activity based, like where they are, what kind of activity they are doing, these audience what we have been selected, that is a page like. Okay, posts like, how many of them doing a post like, and how many of them using a mobile, how many of them using a desktop. Okay, how many of them using a Android. Okay, this insight will help you to create your content, like your posters should be mobile friendly, and your video should be mobile friendly, your website should be mobile friendly to give an advertisement in a Facebook, because your audience, majority of the audience are using a mobiles. So this will help one to analyze the entire audience. Here we have been analyze the audience which you thought of targeting. Okay, these are the you thought of targeting. These audience are like this, so that you can create a content to match with this particular audience. Okay, this is about how can we analyze the audience as well as our previous posts by using a analysis and report section.